bumper, which is here, but we're not gonna use this one. I've sourced this piece, the metal piece, that's going like here, so it holds the bumper, but in fact we are going to use this, which we need to unpack. Let's go! So, the camera died. It's not looking tragic from here. I need to get the plastic welder tomorrow, because that's basically what should be on this side here, which is on this side here, that's why it's holding here, but yeah. The welds were really bad, so I need to weld it tomorrow, and I think I'm gonna get some heat treatment for this boy, because it really doesn't want to fit as I would like it to. And we get ready for the paint, because that's it basically. I need to get this mess sorted, and I'm gonna head home because it's getting late. So slight change of plans. Today I'm gonna install this here, and this one, the bigger one, there. Because today is Saturday, tomorrow is Sunday, and you don't really want to make a noise on Sunday, but there's gonna be grinding, there's gonna be cutting. So we get to the less noisy stuff tomorrow, and today I'm just gonna do the stuff I need to do before painting anything. So that should be fun. another few days have passed, but there is no time to waste. One fan is installed, the second one is installed. Today ambitious plan: fit the bumper, then put on the hood, put the car on the wheels, drive out somewhere here, wash the car and start prepping it for the paint, and also start prepping the garage to be the paint booth. Let's go! So, the bumper is on, the hood is on also. I've washed the car, rinsed it more like. There is some stuff. This stuff is gonna be here for a while because I am planning on running like from here all the way to like there. Beam, so I can go with the masking foil, so I don't need to cover all of the things individually, so I can just cover it as a whole, just cut it off from the garage.